Finding the right gaming mouse can make all the difference in your performance, whether you're climbing the ranks in competitive shooters or just enjoying a casual game. A good mouse improves comfort, boosts accuracy, and helps you react faster, all while feeling natural in your hand. With so many choices available, wired, wireless, ultralight, customizable, ergonomic, it can be hard to know which one suits you best. In this video, we've rounded up the top 6 best gaming mice, their key features, and what you should keep in mind before buying. Links to all the products are included below. Number 6. Cooler Master MM720. If you're looking for an affordable gaming mouse that feels almost weightless in your hand, the Cooler Master MM720 is worth a closer look. Designed with speed and precision in mind, it's a strong pick for gamers who favor claw or fingertip grips and want a mouse that won't slow them down in fast-paced titles. Weighing in at an incredibly light 49 grams, the MM720 is one of the lightest mice on the market. This makes it a favorite for FPS players who rely on quick flick shots and constant movement. Its compact, ergonomic shape is specifically designed to fit claw grip users, though fingertip users may also find it comfortable. The honeycomb shell keeps the weight down while adding a distinct look, though it does leave the interior more exposed to dust. The mouse uses a high-performance optical sensor capable of tracking up to 16,000 dpi, ensuring precise cursor movement even at high speeds. Cooler Master's ultra-weave cable and PTFE feet minimize drag, making it feel almost wireless as it glides across your mousepad. On the positive side, the MM720 is light, responsive, and budget-friendly, all while delivering solid performance. Its shape encourages quick movements without feeling cramped, and it's well-suited for long gaming sessions thanks to its low weight. On the downside, its unusual shape may take some getting used to, especially for palm grip users. And while the honeycomb shell is functional, it can collect dust and debris over time. Overall, the Cooler Master MM720 is a fantastic choice for gamers who want extreme lightness, fast movement, and affordability without compromising on essential performance. Number 5. Logitech G502X Plus. For gamers who want a mouse that can do it all. Whether it's fast-paced shooters, MMOs, or even productivity tasks, the Logitech G502X Plus delivers a powerful combination of features, comfort, and build quality. This mouse is designed for players who value customization and premium feel over ultralight designs. The G502X Plus features hybrid wireless connectivity using Logitech's Lightspeed technology, offering a reliable, low-latency connection. It also supports wired use if you prefer. With 13 programmable buttons and a dual-mode scroll wheel that switches between notch and free spin modes, it's excellent for games that demand a lot of commands or macros. Underneath, a Hero 25K sensor provides pinpoint precision and excellent tracking accuracy even during intense gameplay. Aesthetically, the mouse includes vibrant RGB lighting with customizable effects, which can add personality to your setup without draining the battery too quickly. At about 106 grams, the G502X Plus feels solid and substantial in the hand without being overly heavy, making it a comfortable option for extended sessions. Its versatility stands out. It works equally well for FPS, MMO, or everyday tasks, thanks to its programmable buttons and ergonomic design. The build quality feels durable, and the long battery life holds up even with lighting enabled. That said, its heavier weight may not appeal to players who prioritize speed in competitive shooters, and the larger size can feel bulky for users with smaller hands. The price is also on the higher end, reflecting its premium features. All things considered, the Logitech G502X Plus is ideal for gamers who want a multifunctional mouse packed with features, offering a satisfying mix of performance, comfort, and customization in one well-built package. Number 4. Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. If you're looking for a gaming mouse that combines comfort, advanced features, and deep customization, the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro is a standout option. Designed with ergonomics and versatility in mind, this mouse is perfect for gamers who want premium performance without giving up comfort or functionality. The Basilisk V3 Pro can be used wirelessly or with a wired connection and is equipped with Razer's Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, which delivers impressive precision and speed. One of its signature features is the Hyperscroll tilt wheel, which lets you adjust the scroll resistance or switch to a free spin mode, making it great for both gaming and scrolling through long documents. It comes with up to 13 programmable controls, including a dedicated sniper button for instant DPI adjustment, giving you plenty of flexibility for complex games. The mouse is also compatible with Razer's wireless charging dock, sold separately, for a more seamless experience. Its RGB lighting includes an elegant underglow and illuminated logo, adding flair to any setup. The Basilisk V3 Pro excels in comfort, with a shape that supports palm and claw grips well. The sensor's responsiveness and accuracy make it suitable not just for gaming, but also for productivity tasks that demand precision. However, at 112 grams, it's on the heavier side, which may not suit those who prefer a lightweight, agile mouse. Its price is also high, especially if you add the optional dock. Finally, its larger size can feel a bit unwieldy for players with smaller hands. Overall, the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone who values comfort, customization, and advanced features in a premium wireless mouse that performs just as well in work as it does in play. Number 3. Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. For competitive gamers who value speed, precision, and simplicity above all else, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 delivers exactly that. It's one of the lightest wireless gaming mice available, built specifically for esports and serious players who need every possible edge in reaction time and control. Weighing in at just around 60 grams, this mouse feels almost weightless in your hand, allowing for effortless flicks and quick movements. Its wireless connection uses Logitech's proven Lightspeed technology, ensuring fast, reliable performance with no noticeable lag. At the core is the Hero 2 sensor, capable of high DPI and exceptional tracking accuracy, making it a dependable tool for even the most demanding games. The design is intentionally minimalist. It includes only the essential buttons you need, keeping the focus on pure performance. The large PTFE feet at the bottom help it glide smoothly across any surface with minimal resistance, enhancing its responsiveness. The biggest strength of the G Pro X Superlight 2 is its Featherlight build combined with reliable wireless performance. The battery life is surprisingly long for such a lightweight mouse, so you won't find yourself constantly charging it in the middle of a session. Its simplicity also means it's easy to get used to and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. On the downside, it lacks RGB lighting or extra programmable buttons, which may disappoint players who enjoy customizing their gear. Its high price might also feel steep given its minimal feature set, and some may find it too simple if they're used to more advanced mice. In the end, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 remains a top choice for competitive FPS players who care most about speed, accuracy, and a no-nonsense, high-performance design. Number 2. Razer DeathAdder V3 Hyperspeed. For gamers who love the iconic DeathAdder shape but prefer a lighter, wireless version that doesn't hit the premium price of the Pro model, the Razer DeathAdder V3 Hyperspeed is a fantastic option. It keeps the signature ergonomic design that made the DeathAdder series so popular, while shaving off weight and delivering reliable wireless performance. This model uses Razer's Hyperspeed wireless technology, which offers a fast, stable connection with low latency, ideal for gaming. At around 63 grams, it's noticeably lighter than earlier DeathAdder models, which makes it more nimble while still feeling substantial. Its classic ergonomic shape continues to favor palm grip users, though it's versatile enough for claw grips as well. Inside, it's powered by the Focus Pro sensor, supporting up to 30,000 DPI for excellent tracking, precision, and smooth movement. The battery life is impressive too, giving you many hours of play before needing a recharge, which makes it dependable for marathon gaming sessions. What really stands out about this mouse is how familiar and comfortable it feels in the hand. The reduced weight helps it feel more agile without sacrificing the supportive shape that many gamers appreciate. It strikes a good balance between being ergonomic, wireless, and light, something not many mice achieve. There are some trade-offs, however. The Hyperspeed version lacks some of the advanced features found in the Pro, such as optical switches. It's also still larger and heavier than minimalist, ultralight mice designed purely for competitive play. And for those who like RGB lighting, its absence here might be noticeable. Overall, the Razer DeathAdder V3 Hyperspeed is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable, comfortable wireless mouse that stays light, responsive, and affordable compared to the higher-end Pro model. Number 1. Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro. For players who want the absolute best version of the iconic DeathAdder with elite wireless performance and minimal weight, the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro sits at the top of the list. This model takes everything people love about the DeathAdder series and refines it, offering a premium experience for serious gamers who demand comfort, accuracy, and speed. The V3 Pro uses Razer's ultra-low latency Hyperspeed wireless technology, ensuring a smooth, reliable connection that keeps up even in the most competitive matches. Weighing just around 63 to 64 grams, it's remarkably light for its size, making it feel quick and responsive without compromising the ergonomic support that the DeathAdder shape is known for. Inside, it's equipped with the Focus Pro 30K optical sensor, which delivers precise tracking even during high-speed movements, and Gen 3 optical switches, which register clicks faster and more reliably than mechanical switches. The battery life is another strong point, Offering up to 90 hours of playtime before needing to recharge, it easily handles extended gaming sessions without interruption. The design stays true to the DeathAdder heritage with a shape optimized for palm and claw grips, providing excellent support for longer use while maintaining agility. Its build feels solid yet lightweight, striking a rare balance that many gamers appreciate. However, premium performance comes at a premium price, and the V3 Pro is one of the more expensive gaming mice available. It also forgoes RGB lighting entirely to keep the weight down, which may disappoint those who enjoy more visual flair. Additionally, its larger ergonomic shape may not suit players with very small hands as well as more compact options. All considered, the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro is the ultimate choice for gamers who want a high-end, lightweight, and comfortable mouse with professional-grade wireless performance, the best DeathAdder yet. Thanks for checking out our list of the top 6 best gaming mice. We hope this helps you find the one that fits your needs and playstyle. Let us know in the comments which mouse you're planning to pick, or which one you're already using and loving. You can also check the links below for more details and the latest prices on each model. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.